Hi there, are you looking for a simple and easy way to copy your Lovable website to WordPress? Then this video is for you. As you can see, this is my Lovable website. I created it for a plumbing business, and this is the exact same clone of this website on my WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, this website is fully editable and you can modify it however you want without writing a single line of code. Okay, so if you want to learn this complete process of how you can simply copy and paste the Lovable website into WordPress in just a single snap, then make sure to watch this complete video till the end. So let's get started. So in order to copy your Lovable website to WordPress, you will need to go on this website named ClonewebX. Okay, after that you will need to create an account over here. Okay, as I have already an account with them, I will simply sign in into my account. Okay, great, I have been signed in. After that you will need to click on add new project button. Okay, so let's click on it. Here you will able to put your project name, so keep it something relevant. I am importing a plumbing website into it, so let's name it the plumbing project 2. Okay, after that you will need to put your Lovable website domain name, okay, or URL. So let's go to Lovable dashboard and let's copy our URL. Okay, so I am logging into my Lovable. Let's scroll down and find the website I want to copy. Okay, so the first one I want to copy this one, so let's click on it and let's wait for it. Okay, after that let's click on the publish button and copy the URL of the website. Great, let's copy it. After copying it, let's open it into a new tab so that we can view the website clearly. Okay, I want to show the website to you guys first before I start copying it. So this is our website. This is a plumbing business website I have created using Lovable few days back. Okay, so it's looking nice and professional. Let's copy our URL. Let's go to ClonewebX and paste the URL and let's click on create project. After that the project will be created. After that it will ask us to install an extension for Google Chrome. Okay, so let's install the extension ClonewebX. Let's click on add to Chrome and it will ask us to install the extension. Let's confirm it and the extension has been added to our Google Chrome browser. Okay, great. Let's refresh our Lovable website and let's click on the extension button on the top of our browser. Here you will be able to see the ClonewebX extension. Let's select our project we just created. After that click on add page. Let's wait for it. So it will open a new tab on ClonewebX website. So let's wait for it to load. After that you will be able to see an ClonewebX pop-up sidebar. Okay, in export type we will need to select the entire page because we want to copy the entire page. In page builder we will select the Gutenberg. Okay, after that it is asking us to install a WordPress plugin for ClonewebX. Okay, let's download and install it. Let's click on download and let's wait for it. Okay, let's go to our WordPress admin dashboard. Our plugin has been downloaded. Let's click on choose file. Let's select the plugin file and click on install now. Okay, so this method is going to be simple copy paste. Okay, let's click on activate button and the plugin will be activated on our website. Great, so the plugin has been activated. Let's add a new page on which we will copy our website. Okay, as we want to use Gutenberg editor, we will need to deactivate the classic editor plugin which I have already installed on the website. So let's go to install plugin and let's scroll up. Okay, here it is. Let's deactivate it and let's delete the plugin. Great, so it will now load the Gutenberg page editor. Okay, let's add the page. So the page has been opened. Let's go to our ClonewebX website again. Great, so all the steps have been successfully completed. Let's scroll up and verify. Everything looks good. Let's click on export button and after that we will be able to simply copy the whole website structure and paste it into our WordPress admin dashboard page. Okay, let's copy it. Let's go to our WordPress page and simply click on Control V to paste the whole website structure. Okay, so all the lovable website structure will be simply copied and pasted on our WordPress website in one single snap. Okay, voila guys. So the website structure has been successfully copied and it's looking amazing overall. Okay, great. So let's publish it. Okay, before that, let's give it a name. Let's put it something like plumbing homepage. Okay, let's click on publish button. Let's open the web page. Great. So the website has been successfully copied to our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, amazing guys. It's looking great. So let's remove some items to make it completely identical to our lovable website. Let's hide the title. Great. After that, let's go to our theme editing section to make the website full width. Okay, I'm using Astra. So let's go to container and make it full width. As you can see, there is a space padding from left and right side. Okay, so let's make it full width. After that, let's scroll down and make the sidebar layout to no sidebar. Great. Okay, after that, let's click on save button and let's verify our website again. Let's refresh it and see how it goes. Amazing guys. So the website is looking amazing. There is no title and there is no sidebars, but we can see the footer and the header option from our theme. Okay, so let's delete them as well. Okay, let's scroll down and click on disable elements and let's disable the header and let's disable the footer for this specific page. Okay, after that, let's click on save button and let's refresh our website and verify it again. Great, all the issues have been fixed successfully and our website is looking stunning and fully modern and exact copy of our lovable website. Okay, so let's do some modification because we can simply edit everything on this website because we are using the WordPress environment now. Okay, I have just deleted the lovable logo part. After that, we can make more modification. We can almost edit any part of the website. Okay, so let's try to edit some text from it. Okay, let's edit the this text section and change it to services you can trust to services in New York or something. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's change this part, you can trust to in New York. Okay, great. So let's do it. After that, let's click on save button. Amazing. Let's verify our website. Okay, so this particular text should be replaced. Okay, amazing. We can see the update. Amazing. So the text has been updated. Okay, nice guys. So let's make some few more modifications. Let's change this part, commercial plumbing. Okay, let's change it to commercial plumbing services and after that let's update the website and see how it goes. Let's save it. Let's refresh and verify. Let's scroll up and verify the section. Great. So the text has been successfully modified. So you can edit almost any part of this website using Gutenberg WordPress editor. Okay, so the ClonewebX has some pricing plans as well. Let me introduce to those. Okay, I was using the free plan so far. Okay, which allows you to copy your website to Gutenberg and Webflow. Okay, you can copy 2 websites per month. Okay, with 10 exports. They have pro plan as well, which is for $10 per month and you can easily copy 30 sites. Okay, there are lots of other page builder available for the copy and paste like Elementor and lots of other page builder. Okay, so you can simply go for this plan. Okay, it seems totally worth to me. Okay, so I hope you liked this video so far because this was a simple copy paste mechanism for anyone who don't want to code a theme and want to copy the lovable website into WordPress easily. So I hope you liked this video so far. If you liked it, make sure to share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.